I am debt free. Woohoo! The dollar amount I was able to save was approximately $250,000, which was astronomical. Being on an income based repayment without any hope of being able to ever pay something like this back. I highly recommend Student Loan Tutor because they're an amazing team, down to earth, and they will get the job done. They will be on the phone calls that you don't want to be on for hours. They will be able to work behind the scenes and make sure you have everything streamlined for your debt forgiveness or whatever it is that you're trying to do, consolidate anything. They're going to help you with that process. Hello, my name is John Dumas. I live here in Sedona, Arizona, and I am a musician. I was actually playing at a music festival, and I heard Zach do a presentation about the student loans and his program, and so I checked it out. I had a great talk with him, and he put me in touch with some other people in the company, and they said, wow, we can expedite that much quicker. Like, you actually should be already having your loans paid off. And then I had another buddy of mine in grad school at the same time, and he had his forgiven, found out mine weren't in the same standing direct repayment. And so the team guided me through how to put it into that right category so that I would be eligible. And next thing I know, a few months later, here I am without a student loan. Thank you very much. What surprised me the most was the help that I received even before I made a payment. These guys just were on the phone with me, walking me through so much, helping explain it, giving me a feeling of safety, giving me a feeling of security, what they can do for me, how they're going to do it step by step. And so it was just like, okay, no brainer, sign up. So if you're sitting on the fence and how to work with a team of amazing experts that really want to help you and can get the job done, I would highly recommend working with these guys.